Carlton. What's next? Classes in the morning?
Hi.
There, London. The older I get, the more I realize you have to look adversity in the eye and say, you don't scare me.
Hey!
Osiris.
You're shaking like a chihuahua.
Osiris.
Probably shouldn't let
Hi,
the
Boo.
dryer for so long.
Hello, Gary. Boys.
Did you miss those Mr. Mosby?
Oh, why, yes. I mean, without you, the last 3 months on this floating paradise have been sheer torture.
Well, your suffering's over. We're going to be attending 7 Seas High.
Huh?
Osiris.
They're going to be attending 7 Seas High. He's getting old.
Believe me, it was not an easy decision, but it's such a great opportunity, and I can afford it with my employee discount, so how could I say no?
Like this?